Symbols are simply marks or signs that represent other things. If your teacher gives you a graded homework paper and there is this on it, what does that mean? Your teacher was happy with your work. And if you have a number of these on it, you know these answers were right. There are many symbols used in math, 3 of which you began learning about today. What does this mean? Greater than. And this? Less than. And this one? Equal. Great job. These 3 symbols are used to show the way that 2 things relate to each other. You saw several examples of each of these using numbers. Which is greater, 6 or 3? 6 is greater than 3. If you are 6 and your little brother is 3, your age is greater than your brother's age. Which is less, 45 or 20? 20 is less. If it takes you 45 minutes to walk home, or 20 minutes if you ride the bus, it would take you less time on the bus to get home. These examples help you see how numbers and symbols show relationship. Sometimes greater is used to mean more important, or lesser for not as important. If you are 6 and your little brother is 3, who is more important? You cannot answer that question because the number represents age, not value. Which is more important, walking home or riding the bus? It depends. Do you need to get home quickly today, or do you need to walk with your close friends so that you can have more time to talk? Using signs for greater than, less than, and equal is much easier to learn in math using numbers than it is in life. Yet it's something that we will encounter constantly. Jesus spoke often about greater, lesser, and equal because he knew how easily people confused importance. Even his closest followers argued over who was the most important disciple. Listen to Jesus' answer to them. But whoever would be great among you must be your servant, and whoever would be first among you must be your slave, even as the Son of Man came not to be served, but to serve, and to give his life as ransom for many. If you want to be greater than, you must make yourself less than. His words are simple to say, yet so hard to do. He knew that. That is why he did it himself. If Jesus lived all of his days on earth and gave his life to serve others, then we can serve others too. We may not be great in the eyes of other people, but God will see us as great, and it will make him very